So, Samsung's launch cycle is still in full swing as the Galaxy S25 series gears up for its global release. Following the big reveal at Galaxy Unpacked 2025, the lineup includes the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, S25 Ultra, and the all-new Galaxy S25 Edge. Previously known as the S25 Slim, this device has been shrouded in speculation, but leaks over the past few months have painted a clearer picture. Reports first surfaced in October, hinting at a slimmer variant of the Galaxy S25. At the time, sources suggested that the device, then called the S25 Slim, would launch a few months after the core S25 lineup. Given that the S25 series was unveiled on January 22nd, this points to an April or May release. However, early reports also indicated that the S25 Edge might debut in select markets first, allowing Samsung to gauge consumer interest before committing to a wider rollout in 2026. By November, a model number linked to the Galaxy S25 Edge appeared in the GSMA IMEI database, offering further proof of its existence. The listing included a version ending in U, signifying a US variant, followed by another model with a B designation, typically indicating global availability. With its presence confirmed at Galaxy Unpacked, the likelihood of a broad international launch has significantly increased. Another key detail from these database entries suggests a potential May release, as Samsung devices usually surface in IMEI records roughly 6 months before launch. In mid-December, leaks pointed to a Q2 release window, narrowing it down to April through June. By January 2025, sources were consistently reporting a May debut for the S25 Edge. The lead-up to Unpacked 2025 saw conflicting reports on whether the S25 Edge would launch alongside its counterparts or be absent from the event entirely. In the end, Samsung opted for a middle ground, acknowledging the device without providing full details. Pricing details remain uncertain, but considering its rumored specifications and positioning, the Galaxy S25 Edge is expected to fall between the S25 Plus and S25 Ultra. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming S25 Edge? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.